Kelly. I am a Master's of Industrial Design student at Georgia Tech. So I wanted to take part in it because back in my undergrad, I actually took a few sculpture classes and really enjoyed it. And seeing that experience here at Georgia Tech and that opportunity, I decided to jump on it and to see if I can also create a sculpture with a professional artist too. So as a part of the project, me and Danielle kind of focused on the iteration portion of the project. And then once we got here, we kind of expanded into more of the detail work and then maybe even the bench and then any other refinement that needed to be done to the sculpture. So similarly with industrial design, we have and sculpture work, we both have an iterative process. So understanding going with the flow and kind of just knowing that things will change over time. And then once the end product comes out, feel really excited about it and often to show people. So that's kind of how it connects with the sculpture work. So I learned a lot of teamwork and then kind of going with the flow with other people as well, because things will change and you kind of have to understand that with change comes more work. So kind of going with the flow and understanding that you constantly will have to rework some things in order to get to the final product.